Hello, fellow educators. Today we're going to explore ChatGPT and how it can be used for error correction. This is just one way in which it can be used, and we're going to see this AI model in action. First, we'll see what the process looks like live, and we'll go over each step explaining it. So let's go to ChatGPT, make a new chat, and go to the GPT-4 iteration. I'm going now to look at a set of instructions that I that I devised earlier. You have to be very explicit and careful in the way in which you script or make a formula uh, for ChatGPT. We want to make sure that it does exactly what we've asked it for. So I'll copy this and paste it into the space there. And now I'm going to get some language which was produced, some text which was produced earlier by my learners. I'm going to put it in here. You can see it there. So there you go, Romana, Sharmina, uh, Sanjida, and so forth. And we're going to press this and make the magic happen. So begins with the actual identification of errors from individual learners, and then it corrects them and identifies what kind of error had been made. And you can see how quickly it does it there. It's not perfect. There are errors which are missed, things which are not understood, but it's pretty good, and a teacher then would amend it. Now it's making a table, and I've asked it to look for these particular errors, word order, tense, prepositions, articles, and so forth. I've asked it for others errors as well, but where it finds no error, it will delete or leave out the column. So here we go. Uh, this is a group of entry 2-ish learners, and it's found the most common errors that I asked it to do that, tense errors, preposition errors, and verb omissions. And then it's giving some rules. I've asked it to give rules, 3 rules with respect to those, and an exemplar sentence for each as well. And finally, to give online practice. So here for prepositions, let's have a look at this. Should have perhaps said prepositions of place or time or whatever, can do, but let's have a look and see what it's got there. English grammar. Oh, good. He has been ill for 3 months. So, yeah, let's go back. And that's pretty good as far as I can see. As I said, a teacher has to look over the work produced here and just check that it's got it all correct. But it's a great start in my opinion. It's taken a lot of work to get that original prompt uh, in a suitable shape, suitable form. I started off with something like this, much shorter, but sometimes it doesn't give or yield the best results. So I've asked it to be much more specific. Ask away, and I'll share what I've been doing.